Hello, today we are going to go through the setup instructions and adding a user to Vulcan and adding them to a class. And as you can see here, I've already logged into Vulcan and I'm going to click on the dashboard or organization if I have not done so already. And then I want to click on the administration tab and I'm going to click on classes. The classes here that I've already created are listed. And in order to create a new class, I'm going to go over to the right-hand side and click Create a New Class. When the new page comes up, I'm going to add the name of the course or any naming convention that you choose to use, as well as any notes for that class itself. Once I'm satisfied, I will go ahead and click Validate, and it will tell me that the class was created successfully. I then can go ahead and click back on classes to make sure that yes, indeed, that class is now listed. Once that class has been created, I will then click on the users. There are 3 different ways to create a user: send an invitation, create that local user, or import a CSV file. The first and most recommended way is to send an invitation. In order to do so, you will need the student's email address, list them as a trainee if they are the student, and add them to the particular class. Once that is done, you'll go ahead and hit send, and that user will receive a welcome email with how to log in to Vulcan and set up their account. The second way is to create a local user. In here, when you click on Create a Local User, you will see that it has a predefined email. This email cannot be changed, and if you have to create a user via this way, they will not be able to access their own individualized platform to be able to see their results. So this way is not recommended, but it is available. Finally, going back to the users, there will be the capability to import a CSV file, and right now this is not available, but you will be communicated with once this feature has been opened. So these are the 3 different ways in order to create a user and add them to a class. Thank you.